In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an Airtable embed into a client portal with Assembly. So let's dive in. Recently, we've started using Airtable in our business to track a ton of things, social ideas, content, our membership ideas, and also our design projects for our clients. I'm a wedding invitation designer, so there's lots of steps to the process, and we wanted to track it all in one place with all different parts of our team. So in Airtable, we've created this database. I put some fake data in here for you, and there's a form that people fill out whenever they are ready to create a wedding invitation, and then that information goes directly into this form, and then we can continue to update it throughout their project. So if we're working on save the dates or invitations day of, sometimes we have other stuff that we work on. We're keeping track of their wedding date as well as their ideal mail date, and then the project status, as well as who it's assigned to on our team. And we can change these things very easily, move throughout, add notes, etc. We've got all the information that we're going to need here. Quantities, whether they need certain things, they've got their inspiration images, just so much that we can do here. So we've been tracking this progress, and it's been really helpful in Airtable. Our team is able to see it, but when we work in a client portal, we are realizing that our clients aren't able to see this, and we'd love for our clients to be able to see this. So I want to show you how I'm going to embed this into the Assembly client portal. Our team is working really well on this, but recently we've wanted our clients to be able to see this, and that's where a good client portal comes in. Our sponsor for this video, Assembly, is an amazing client portal where you can do so much back and forth interfacing with your clients and combine a lot of systems into one login. So we've actually moved this table for our team view into Assembly, but we also have added it so our clients are able to view it as well. And let me show you how to do that. So we can integrate our team view of this table into Assembly as well as individual client views. And what this does is it saves you from like logging in and going to 57 different places to see where things are. You can bring all 57 of those things into one login space within Assembly. So let me show you how that works with the Airtable integration in Assembly. So when I'm in Assembly, you see all of these apps on the left-hand side, and you can see things like welcome to the family, messages, billing, files, contracts, and then we've customized some things specifically for wedding invitation designers. We have an address template, which is just a Google Sheet in here that they can edit, and then we'll see it on our end in the Google Sheet. We have a Trello board that we use. We have an invitation information questionnaire that we created, a timeline, as well as your latest proofs. And this is an embed we did with Adobe, so they can just click on here and they'll be able to see their latest proofs. As they're viewing all the different pages of this proof, they can decide to make changes here directly in here. Let's say this is their change, and can we change the font to a darker blue? And then I'm going to see that directly in Adobe, but what they don't have to do is log into Adobe, keep track of that link. It's always going to be here under their latest proofs in their client portal. So all of these different things are combining Google Sheets, we're combining some internal apps in Assembly, we're combining billing, we're combining Trello, we're combining forms, we're combining Adobe, all of that stuff into one place. So we want to go in and add an app. What does that look like? Here in our app library, we can see everything that we have already, and we can see what's visible to the clients and what is hidden from clients. So if we add an app, you can see that you can embed and link pretty much anything or create a custom app of pretty much anything. There's also going to be some internal apps like this task and help desk that are already on here. And then there's some external ones they've already linked. You can see Airtable is right here. There's also things you'll recognize like Calendly, QuickBooks, Xero, Zoom, Google Drive, all this kind of stuff. So definitely scroll through these and see which ones you are using and which ones you can integrate here in Assembly very easily. If you don't see something here like Adobe, for instance, I use this embed links option to add that in here. So for Airtable, we click on here and there's gonna be some information about how to add this. So I'm just gonna click install, and then we can add it in two different ways. So first I wanna add the full database for my team to be able to see it. And so for that one, I'm gonna say like project tracker. This is kind of a team facing thing. And then you can change the little icon. I'll just put this little flower here because it's cute. And this one, we'll just keep this at automatic. I'll show you that in a second, what that means. And then down here in the client-facing app visibility, we just want to edit this so it's hidden from all clients, because we only want this to show on our end just to our team when they log in. So up here, when we click share, we have to make sure that we have shared this space to the web, and then from there we can embed it. We'll copy the embed code and bring it right here into Assembly. Now it's pulling up that preview for us so we can see what it all looks like. I'm just gonna click add here. So now you can see this is hidden from our clients, but it's in the bottom. So whenever my team logs in, they can click on this project tracker and they'll be able to see that full Airtable embed. So when they're working with clients, messaging clients, sending revisions, sending proofs, they can just go ahead and log into this project tracker without having to go to a completely different tab. And therefore they'll be able to see all the information that they need from that client. Now, if I wanted the client to be able to view their own information, then how do I do that? It's somewhat similar. We'll just go into our app folder. And again, we're gonna do an Airtable, kind of a second instance of this. And I'll call this project status because this is gonna be client facing and I want them to be able to see the project status. Now we'll change this automatic to manual, so manually connect content for each client. We do that also with our address template so that they're not all working off the same sheet, they don't see each other's data, etc. And then we can see if we want this to be visible to some clients, all clients are hidden. I think we want it for all of our clients. And we'll click add. And then once you've added that, see we have project tracker, which is our teams, and then we have project status, which is for the clients. So when we go in and click on this, we will just add our first embed or link. And so we'll just select which clients we want this to go to. I have this client, it's under a company because it has a few different clients in it. It's called Jake and Amy Wedding. So I'm gonna click next on that. And then we wanna show just Jake and Amy's Airtable here. So the way to show that is just to filter this by Jake, and then do that exact same process. We're just gonna only share their filtered view. Now they can see all this information and they'll be able to see the project status, their ship date, who is currently working on it, etc. And then if they all want to, they can send us a message about something directly here in the portal. So if I wanna add it for each of my individual clients, I'll just go in here, select a new client or a new company, and then share the Airtable embed for them. Now, if we had a more involved Airtable setup, I definitely can see trackers and things being super duper helpful. As an example, here's an Airtable that I use with my video editor, and this is just for my company. I'm sure he has other companies that he works with too. So imagine if he embedded this entire view into my client portal, I'd be able to see all of this information, and it's just going to be so helpful to have this full dashboard and access to all of this information without me having to go log into Airtable. So when Jake and Amy arrive in their portal, they're gonna see all of the things that we've added, including like this storefront where they can add on some things. That's a revenue generator. They'll see all their billing and file information, all their contracts, their individual address template. They can go ahead and start editing it here without having to keep track of what link that is, go to Google Sheets, log in, etc. Fill out their forms, and now they'll be able to see their project status via that Airtable embed that we just did. Airtable is already such a flexible app that we've started to use it for so many different things, and when you have a lot of information to keep track of, it's so helpful. And then Assembly further ups that flexibility. So when you combine it with Assembly, you can really, like, the possibilities are so endless. This is such a simple version of what we could do with it, but imagine bringing in a database that's this large, even larger than this if you have a ton of information or you have a really robust tracking system that you use with your clients. Being able to put that in the same place where they go to send you a message, where they go to pay their bill, where they go to buy more services, etc., is going to be so helpful for them and make it so much easier than having to log in and out or open new tabs every time they want to do something different. In the app library, you'll see all kinds of other things that you probably use already, such as Calendly. You can make it so they can schedule an appointment with you directly, Zoom, Typeform, Loom, even if you need to send them some videos, ClickUp, Google Sheets, just all these things that you're probably already using with your clients. But instead of having to send them individually and them having to log in, log out, remember their passwords, do two-factor authentication, etc., they can access it all here in one really crisp, clean, customizable portal. If you want your client portal to have all this customization and look this good, combining all of your systems, making everything so much easier for you, then definitely check out our other videos on how we set up all of these other apps. Your portal to look this crisp, clean, and customized with all of the apps that you need in it, then check out our other videos on how we set all of this up in Assembly. You can use our code LEANY for $100 off any of the plans with Assembly. Thanks, everyone.